Hi all, welcome to our class. In this section, we can study division of fractions. We are going to study division of fractions. Before studying division of fractions, first let us study reciprocal of a fraction. How can we find the reciprocal of a fraction? For example, 3 by 5 is a fraction. 3 by 5 is a fraction with the numerator 3 and denominator 5. We are going to write the reciprocal of 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5. Reciprocal of 3 by 5 means reciprocal of 3 by 5 is reciprocal means numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 3 will become denominator and 5 will become numerator. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So just reverse 3 by 5. So reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. Another example, what about 2 by 7? 2 by 7 is a fraction. What is the reciprocal of 2 by 7? Reciprocal is 2 will become denominator and 7 will become numerator. That is 2 by 7. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2. 1 by 12. 1 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. So, the reciprocal of 1 by 12 which is equal to 1 by 12 is equal to 12 by 1. 12 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1 or 12 by 1 means 12 itself. 12 by 1 is 12 itself. So, reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12. What about 1 by 7? Reciprocal of 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7 by 1. 7 by 1 or simply 7 by 1 means 7. So, reciprocal of 1 by 7 is 7. What about reciprocal of 11 by 12? Reciprocal of 11 by 12. Reciprocal of 11 by 12 is 12 by 11. So, in order to get the reciprocal of a fraction, we have to change the denominator or interchange the numerators and denominator. So, reciprocal of 2 by 7 is 7 by 2 and reciprocal of 1 by 12 is 12 by 1 or simply 12 or 1 by 7 is 7 by 1 or 7 or 12 by 11 by 12 is 12 by 11. In reverse, 12 by 11 reciprocal is 11 by 12. In reverse way, we can also say. So, reciprocal means interchanging numerator and denominator. Now we are going to study division of fractions. So, we know how to multiply two fractions. How to multiply two fractions? If multiplication of a fraction and a whole number, what is the rule? We multiply this whole number with the numerator and by the denominator. That is the first rule. 3 into 2, 6 by 5. That is the answer. What about 3 by 4 into 1 by 7? So, 3 by 4 into 1 by 7. Here we multiply with the whole number. Here we are going to multiply with the fraction. So, 3 by 4 into 1 by 7 which is equal to 3 into 1 by 4 into 7. 3 into 1 divided by 4 into 7, that is 3 by 4 into 7, 28. That is the rule we have studied. Now we are going to study division of fractions. First we can study how to divide a fraction by another fraction. How we can divide a fraction by another fraction. For example, 3 by 5 is a fraction. I am going to divide 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 9. 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 9. 3 by 5 is a fraction and 7 by 9 is a fraction. We are going to divide 3 by 5 by 7 by 9. The rule is that we are going to change this division into multiplication. So we are changing this division into multiplication. We know how to multiply two fractions. So we are going to change this division into multiplication, which means which is equal to, listen here, 3 by 5. First fraction is 3 by 5. We are going to change this division into multiplication. So instead of this division, I am going to write multiplication. So 3 by 5 into, which is the next fraction, 7 by 9. We changed this sign into sign. Then next term is 7 by 9. So we have to change this fraction also. We have to use the reciprocal of this fraction. After changing the sign, we use the reciprocal of the next fraction. 7 by 9. Reciprocal of 7 by 9? 9 by 7. So we change this division into multiplication and also wrote the reciprocal of the next fraction, that is 9 by 7. Now we know how to multiply two fractions, which is equal to 3 into 9 by 5 into 7. 3 into 9 divided by 5 into 7, which is equal to 3 into 9, 27 by 5 into 7, 35. So the rule is that change this division, or simply we can say multiply. In order to divide a fraction by another fraction, multiply the fraction with the reciprocal. Okay, so change this division into and use the reciprocal of the next term. So 3 by 5 divided by 7 by 9, which is equal to 27 by 35. So in order to divide, you have to multiply with the reciprocal. Another example, 5 is a whole number. I am going to divide 5 by 1 by 2. 5 divided by 1 by 2. Here 5 is a whole number, 1 by 2 is a fraction. Here division is the operation. How we divide 5 with 1 by 2? Which is equal to the same rule. 5 divided by 1 by 2. First we write, instead of 5, we write 5 by 1. This is the first step. We use 5 by 1. Instead of this 5, we write 5 by 1. Then division 1 by 2. So first step is we change this 5 equal to 5 by 1. 5 by 1 is 5. So 5 by 1 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to, now we division of two fractions, which means 5 by 1. We are going to change this division into multiplication. So division into multiplication means we use multiplication. Then write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. Now we know multiplication of two fractions, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. That is 5 into 2 by 1 into 1. It's equal to 5 into 2, 10. By 1 into 1, 10 by 1. Or simply 10 by 1 is 10. So answer is 10. So in order to divide, here 5 is a whole number. So we consider it as a 5 divided by 1. Then it will be easy. Another question. 1 by 3 divided by 1 by 3 divided by 7. 1 by 3 divided by 7. We have to divide 1 by 3 with 7. So which is equal to, first step is 1 by 3 divided by, instead of 7 I wrote 7 by 1. Instead of 7 I wrote 7 by 1. 1 by 3 divided by 7 by 1. Next step is change this division into multiplication, which is equal to 1 by 3 division into multiplication means we change into sign. Reciprocal of 7 by 1. Reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. Reciprocal of 7 by 1 is 1 by 7. Now we multiply 1 by 3 and 1 by 7. That is 1 into 1 by 3 into 7. 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 7, 21. So 1 by 21. So 1 by 3 divided by 7, which is equal to 1 by 3 divided by 7 by 1, which is equal to 1 by 3 into 1 by 7, which is equal to 1 by 21. So the rule is that we are changing this division into multiplication, and the next fraction we use the reciprocal. Then we can easily divide two fractions, or a fraction with a whole number or whole number by a fraction. One more example, 3 by 4 divided by 11 by 13. How you divide 3 by 4 divided by 11 by 13? Two fractions. So 3 by 4, we change this division into and use the reciprocal of the next one, that is 13 by 11, which is equal to 3 by 4 into 13 by 11, which is equal to 3 by 3 into 13 by multiply the numerators, that is 3 into 13 by 4 into 11, which is equal to 3 into 13, 39, 4 into 11, 44. So 39 by 44. So 3 by 4 divided by 11 by 13, which is equal to 39 by 44. So we can easily divide two fractions. Let us do some questions. Find, first question, find 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. First question, 3 1 by 2 divided by 4. Look at here, this is a mixed fraction, this is a whole number. We have to divide 3 1 by 2 with 4. First, we can change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How? Which is equal to 3 1 by 2, we can easily change into 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So 3 and half means 7 by 2 divided by 4. So first we change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 3 into 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 divided by 4, which is equal to, here 7 by 2, here 4. 4 is a whole number. So we can write 7 by 2 divided by 4 in terms of, first step is 4 in terms of a fraction, that is 4 by 1. 4 by 1. So 7 by 2 divided by 4 by 1, which is equal to 7 by 2 into change, that is 1 by 4. Change this division into then use the reciprocal, 1 by 4, which is equal to 7 into 1, 7, 2 into 4, 8. So answer is 7 by 8. So in order to multiply, in order to divide two fractions, we change this into multiplication and use the reciprocal.